Hey everyone, want to import bookmarks into Microsoft Edge? Microsoft Edge makes it easy to transfer your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, extensions, and other data from another browser. In this full guide, I'll show you how to import bookmarks to Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then choose Settings to open the browser settings. Next, select Profiles from the left-hand menu. Click Import Browser Data to open the Import tool, where you can transfer information from another browser or from a bookmarks file. Now choose where you want to import your bookmarks from. You can import directly from browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or another supported browser, or select an HTML bookmarks file if you've exported your bookmarks previously. After choosing the source, select the information you want to transfer. You can import bookmarks, saved passwords, browsing history, open tabs, cookies, and other supported browser data depending on the source. Once the import is complete, open the Favorites menu to verify that your bookmarks were transferred successfully. You can organize them into folders or move them wherever you'd like. If you use Microsoft Edge on multiple devices, sign in with your Microsoft account and enable sync. This keeps your imported bookmarks available across all your computers and mobile devices. For the best experience, organize your bookmarks into folders, remove outdated links regularly, back up important bookmarks by exporting them to an HTML file, and enable sync to keep everything updated across your devices. These simple habits make your browsing more organized and efficient, and that's how to import bookmarks to Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're switching from Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, importing your bookmarks only takes a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.